Happy Tuesday, year ones. Welcome to your math lesson. Today's learning objective is to subtract by counting back, but not crossing 10 today. And our steps to success: I can recognize numerals to 20. I can make accurate jumps on the number line. I can subtract using a number line. And I can record as a number sentence. Okay, fast full starter. So are we ready? Remember to pause between each question to write down your answer if you need to. Number one. What is 1 less than this number? Number 2, what is this? Take away this. Number 3, if 9 take away 5 equals 4, then 9 take away 4 equals what? And number 4, what is this called? Okay, let's go through our answers. So, what is 1 less than 6? 5. What does this represent? 5, yeah. So what is 5? Take away, what does this number represent? Sorry, this picture represent 2, exactly. So it's asking what is 5 take away 2? 5 take away 2 equals 3. Number 3, if 9 take away 5 equals 4, then 9 take away 4 equals 5. And actually, I might show you the part whole model, just in case anybody's forgotten. So we know that the whole number is what? The whole number is 9, because that is the number that we start with. We start with the whole number when we subtract, and we know we're subtracting. And we knew that one of the parts is 5, we're taking away 5. Oh, not 4, 5. 9 take away 5 equals 4. So the part's 4, which we know all about part whole models. All these numbers are connected. If 9 take away 5 equals 4, then 9 take away 4 equals 5. And what is this called? This is called a number track. Okay, so let's get learning. So Stevie's big question, true or false? Stevie says 2 less than 13 is 15. Pause here if you need to consider your answer. So 2 less than 13 is 15. Let's have a look at these 10 frames. Here we are representing 13, 10 and 3 more, 13. So 2 less means that we need to do what? We need to take 2 away. So if I take 2 away, then how many are left? 11. So Stevie said 2 less than 13 is 15. No, Stevie, 2 less than 13 is 11. So what do we think Stevie did wrong here? What mistake did she make? So it looks like Stevie must have found 2 more than 13. If we added 2 more, 1, 2, then that would be 15. So it's not more, Stevie, it's meant to be 2 less. 2 less than 13 is 11. Okay, so our vocabulary, as a reminder, we all know this already, just to refresh our memories. So this symbol means subtract or minus or take away. It means to take away an amount from another to calculate the difference. Then equals, equal to or the same as, and total means the whole number or amount. And again, here's our part whole model, and because we are subtracting, I've written whole take away part equals part. So my turn first, or Hector's turn, should we say. Hector says, I can use a number track to count back. So Hector's working out 18 take away 2. So Hector starts on 18 then to take away 2, what does Hector need to do? He needs to take 2 jumps backwards on the number line. So 18 take away 2 equals 16. Okay, and here's Stevie. So Stevie is working out 16 take away 4. Look at the numbers that Stevie says, 16, 15, 14, 13. Now that is 4 numbers, but has Stevie taken away 4 from 16? Has she subtracted 4 from 16? Pause here to have a think, see if you can work it out. She hasn't, has she? So Hector's saying, remember to count 4 jumps. So she needs to count 4 jumps, not 4 numbers. So let's see if we help her. 16 take away 4, which number do we need to start on? Start on 16, yes. Oh. Undo that. We start on 16, but that doesn't count as a jump, does it? No. Count the jumps with me. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 jumps. And we've landed on 12. So 16 take away 4 is not 13, it is 12. You need to make sure we're counting the jumps, not the numbers. Okay, so let's do this one together. Working out, what is this number? 17 take away 4. So where do we need to start, guys? See if you can work this one out. So pause here to work it out and then come back. So 17 take away 4. Hopefully you started at 17. And then how many jumps did you take? Hopefully 4 jumps backwards. So remember, this doesn't count as a jump. This is 1 jump. 2 jumps, 15. 3 jumps is 14. 4 jumps is 13. So 17 take away 4 equals 13. Did you get that one? Well done if you did. Okay, so here is your first independent questions to have a go at on your own. You can find this sheet on Teams. If you explore the maths files, you'll be able to find it in the Monday folder. So pause here to have a go at question 1 and then come back. Okay, so it looks a little bit different this time. We were counting or subtracting on number tracks just now, but what is this called? Hopefully you said a number line, and it's the same kind of idea. The main difference really is that on the number track, you have to make sure that you are jumping from between boxes from each box, whereas on a number line, we jump from the lines. Okay, so let's just have another look back. So in the number track, we jump into each box. In a number line, we would make jumps. I'll just show you, we would make jumps from each line. Each line represents each number. Okay, I'm just going to undo that. Okay, so let's do this one together. I've got 3 questions, and I wonder actually if you can have a go at these first and then come back and we'll see if you got it right. So pause here to have a go at these 3 questions. Okay, so the first one, 19 take away 2. So we find 19 and then make 2 jumps backwards. 1, 2, making sure we've jumped onto each line, and we've landed on 17. 19 take away 2 equals 17. And next we've got 17 take away 3. So let me just plug this out. Oh, I didn't mean to do that one because we are starting at 17 today, this time. So 17 and then take away 3. So we need to make how many jumps? 3 jumps backwards. 1, 2, 3. We've landed on 14. So 17 take away 3 equals 14. And then finally, 14 take away 1. So we'll rub this out. This time I'm not going to rub out 14 because we are starting from 14. And taking away, oh, just 1. So 1 jump, we land on 13. And hopefully you might have been able to work that one out anyway, because when we take away 1, it's just 1 less. 1 less than 14 is 13. Okay, so your turn again now. And again, this time it's with number lines. So you'll find the sheet in the maths folder on Teams, just like the last part. In fact, I think it's all one sheet. And then one more this time. So it's a bit different. We don't have a number sentence to work out. We can just see the jumps on the number line, and we need to work out what the number sentence should be that's represented here. So if you have a little look, we can see that we must have started with number 15 because the jumps are going backwards. So we know it's a subtraction number sentence. So we started at the biggest number, the whole number 15. So 15. And then how many did we take away? Well, that must be however many jumps were taken. So we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So it must have been 15 take away 4. And so 15 take away 4 equals exactly 11, the number that we have landed on after taking 4 jumps. Okay. So your challenge now, the last part of today's lesson, last part of the worksheet, is for you to see if you can complete Sam's subtraction. So just like we've just done, it's a different subtraction this time. Okay, remember to send your work into year1 at thepalmeracademy.com. Have a good day. Bye.